Hello guys, now there I'll show you how to download ebooks. Right, this. Okay, like this. For EPUB files, you download Adobe Digital Editions. Adobe. This is for EPUB files only, okay? Adobe Digital Editions. I will post the link in the description so you can download it. I can download it now. So install it like this. Something will appear here that to launch whatever, but click this. Okay, I can install it already. So where can you download EPUB books? Go to IIS. Go to EPUB.com. I will post a link too for this. EPUB. You can download it. So let's say what I am written 100 times. Now yeah, there's it. So games. So click it, click it. Okay. Internet is so. Okay, wait. Sorry for my internet connection. Then click this download ebook. In this download ebook. Then let's say like how we Potter, but I'm not a Potter, but I'm Harry Potter. Yes, I'll use this as example. Only 1 years old. Whatever. Just download ebook, then something you know, then save it to a folder. I suggest you to a folder like this. I have my ebooks. I only have 1 ebook because I'm a starter at reading ebooks too. So now on the PDF files, then I suggest you to Adobe Reader X. I will put the link to download it for PDF files. But if you want this EPUB file, but if the book is not here, just type the name of the book, EPUB, or in the down below download them in PDF. Just type name of the book PDF. That's the simple. But I am downloading PDFs in forshare.com and others in Google that I type the name of the book and PDF. So, X. So in 5 minutes. This is the 5 minutes. So very well. And Adobe with some. It's free. You don't have to pay for anything. Ever no trials. Just download now. Just click down now, then automatically. Yes. So this is the first shared. I will share the link too in the description. Now type whatever you want book. Like this and books. Let's say sorry. Let's say Diary of Olympicated. It will appear like that in it. Let's just download PDF. Download now. Yes, and then it will automatic. Okay. Harry Potter and the Deadly Hallows EPUB. Just type that for EPUB. Oh, wrong spelling. That's all. You can download this find. So PDF, not PDF. Now yes, others are not free, but others are free. Ever this tutorial Coca-Cola. So bye. Hope I can help to you to download ebooks. The one that no and asking why I can read ebooks but I am downloading. Okay, you shall have an ebook reader. Okay. Bye bye.